I'm Kendra, and I'm the author of the book 18th Century Hair and Wig Styling, History and Step-by-Step Techniques, which you can purchase at 18thcenturyhair.com. This step is useful for any wig styling, but it's also one step in a full tutorial that I have posted on Patreon at 18th Century Wig that will show you how to make the style that I am wearing here. Appropriate to the 1780s and first half of the 1790s, it features soft romantic curls, hanging structured rolls, and a cardigan knot in back. If you'd like to check out the full tutorial, as well as future tutorials, please see my Patreon at 18th Century Wig. And if you'd like to know more about the history of 18th century hair and wig styling, including which styles were worn when, as well as techniques and tutorials for making your own, check out my book at 18thcenturyhair.com. Wig clips, also called toupee clips, are small metal barrettes that can be sewn to the inside of a wig or to a hair extension or a hair piece and clipped into the wearer's hair. They're an incredibly secure way to attach a wig to your head, and I strongly recommend adding them to your wigs. I will show you in another video exactly how to wear them, but for now, we need to attach them. And it's important to do that before styling so that you don't mess up the hair once the wig has been styled. Take the wig off of the head block, working on the interior of the wig. Align the clips as close as you can to the front hairline of the wig, but you want to sew them onto something stable. Do not sew them to lace, the netting used in a lace front wig. So find the furthest front edge that is stable and align the wig clip there. Very important that the teeth of the wig clip point backwards away from the face and that the teeth are on top. There will be a little bar that goes underneath. It's covered with a little bit of rubber, and you want that bar to be closest to the wig base and then the teeth on top. Cut a length of thread and thread your needle so that you have a short and a long tail. Start by burying about 2 inches of thread into the base net of the wig, coming up right about where one of the wig clip holes will be. Take about 4 stitches through that first hole so that you really secure that starting point. Take another stitch through the middle hole, if you have one, and then take several stitches through the top hole. Push the needle underneath the clip and then bury the thread in the base of the wig, pulling out about where the next set of holes will be. Again, take several stitches at the first hole, 1 at the next, and then a good 3 or 4 for the last one. Finally, bury the thread for several inches into the base netting of the wig and snip your thread. Do this to the second wig clip, making sure again that the teeth are up and pointed backwards, and try to align the clip in the mirrored same spot as the first one.